Welcome to Clever Mum. Today, we'll guide you on how to effectively meal prep for an entire week in just 2 hours. Meal prepping isn't about fancy techniques or hours in the kitchen. It's about working smarter, not harder. Whether you're a student juggling a busy schedule or simply looking to streamline your week, meal prepping can revolutionize how you think about food and time. Here's the plan. We'll start by understanding why meal prepping is beneficial, move into the actual step-by-step process, and finish by walking through some actionable tips and tricks. Section 1. Why meal prepping matters. To start, why should you invest time in meal prepping? First, it saves time. Imagine spending less time cooking each day and cutting down the guesswork of deciding what's for dinner. Additionally, it reduces stress. With meals planned, there's no decision fatigue to deal with throughout the week. Finally, it promotes healthy eating. When prepped meals are ready, you're far less likely to grab unhealthy takeout. Plus, it saves money, since you buy and cook only what you actually need. Section 2. Let's talk nutrition. To get the most out of meal prepping, it's important to know how to balance your meals. Healthy meal prepping should aim for a balance of macronutrients, carbohydrates, proteins, and healthy fats. For carbs, think of grains like brown rice, quinoa, or even sweet potatoes. Proteins can include chicken, tofu, eggs, or legumes. And don't skip the veggies. These provide essential vitamins, minerals, and fiber. Pair them with healthy fats, such as avocados, nuts, or olive oil, to create complete and satisfying meals. Meal prepping isn't just about saving hours in the kitchen or money in your wallet, it's truly a mindset shift. It sets you up for success throughout your week, giving you the tools to make healthier choices with ease. Stick around, because this is just the beginning. Next, we'll dive into the 2-hour strategy to make it all happen, step by step. Now that you have the tools and strategies to meal prep in just 2 hours, it's time to put what you've learned into action. Start with your favorite meals, or the ones that tend to stress you out the most. Breakfasts, lunches, or dinners, it's all up to you to decide where to begin. By focusing on one meal type at a time, you can gradually get comfortable with the process and refine your approach. Remember, meal prepping is not about perfection, it's about progress. Start small, make adjustments, and soon enough, it will feel like second nature. Here's where we need you to take the next step. Share your meal prepping victories or challenges with us in the comments. The beauty of this journey is that there's a whole community here at Clever Mum to cheer you on and swap ideas. What tips do you have? What worked well for you? Sharing your story can inspire others to take that first step too. And if you're just starting, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to Clever Mum for more practical tips and strategies to make your life easier. We have more guides, hacks, and empowering advice coming your way, all designed to help you save time, stay organized, and enjoy a healthier lifestyle. So, let's get prepping. Your stress-free, health-focused week begins now. Let's do this together.